Welcome to another session. We start with PowerPoint today. So I'll come to my search bar here and search for PowerPoint. If you don't have my desktop already, this is mine. Click on it. PowerPoint is another important software that is used in various places, companies, organizations, schools, even churches use it to present teachings, projects, and so on. We are going to learn how to work with PowerPoint. Microsoft Word is made up of pages, arranging pages, while PowerPoint is made up of slides. So this is the default slide you always see when you come to the PowerPoint, and still this place say your home, inside design, and so on. It's still called your ribbon, RIBBON, and it still has similar feature to what you have seen on Microsoft Word. So now let's make a slide. Let's create a beautiful presentation. So what I'll do now is I'll go to let's go to an AI to generate organize for our slide, so we don't have to think of that from scratch. So I'm using another AI here. We'll call it Deep Logic. It's a very powerful AI, homemade, made by the company that I work for. You should know that we come up with different innovations. You can try it out. So I'm going to use it here. I'll say tell me to deeplogic.ng, and trust me when I say that it's better than ChatGPT. We've tried and tested it, so you can try it out. I say give me multiple slides about the last World Cup. So we have this here. Now let's start filling our slides. I'll go back to PowerPoint. We call this the title slide. It's always the first slide you work with, and it's always the first slide you see here. So now let's start adding our information. Let's see. Tournament overview. So I'll come here. So tournament. So we have tournament overview. Yeah, because we are talking about the last concluded World Cup. I will copy the all information generated by Deep Logic into my notepad. So let me do that quickly. So I've copied them to my notepad. So now you see that we have this looking like bullet list. Let's add them. I'll copy this. Come back here. So here in this place I'm saying that click to add subtitle. I'll click on it. Then I'll go to my bullet here. But I want it in the left, not in the center. So Control L, or you can use the alignment and take it to the left. So we have event. Go to host nation. Go to dates. Participants. Enter again. Then go to matches. We have this here. It's part of our tournament review. So in this first slide now, let's give it a color. So I'll click on the slide on the left here. You see one is there showing that as the first slide. I'll click on it. I'll go to design. I'll go to format background. Then I'll make sure I select solid fill. Click on color. Let me use this. I have this. Let me change this to white. So I highlight. Go to home and change this to white. And yes, here white. Here to highlight it all, change it to white. So next now is for us to open another slide. So let's see slide 16 about the final match. So since I've used this kind of slide here, my next slide won't be title slide. It should be something like title and content slide. But first, let me adjust this up here, and I'll adjust this like this. So to add my slide, I will come here. I'll go to this place here, upper place here, new slide, click on it, and I'll click on title and content. Then we have another slide. So let's quickly fill it. We have final match. So I paste this here. Then let's start adding details, contestants. Enter. Enter. Copy this. Enter. And you copy this to significance. And you enter this. So we have this. I'm following the same process again. I will go back to the left, click on the slide. This the design. Then under solid fill, I'll change this color and I'll give it this. So again, we change this color to white. Go home. Change it to white. And here too, we change it to white. So I'll continue with the rest. So I'll click on new slide, same title and content. So I'll fill the rest just like others. I don't want the video to become much, so let me do that. Let me show you something real quick. I wanted to just add many slides, then show the completed version so that the video does not become too long. But it's not, you don't have to use a bullet list. It's not compulsory that it has to be a bullet list. I can remove this. I remove the dots there by using backspace on your keyboard. Then I'll just go up here, just like in your word, click on the numbering list, and you have this back. And you can continue like this. So I have to show you that quickly. So I've completed the third slide. Now for the last slide, I'll click on new. I'll use the section header only. There are different slides we can even use here. We have the two contents and comparison, which you can come to later on. So I'll click on section header here. So we have this. You can always move this here. It's just like a text box. You can always move it here. So sometimes we use it as the closing slide. So I can move this up too. So I'll come here and see legacy. I have this here. Then I can say mirror shape. By the way, all this was generated by Deep Logic AI. I will change this. Let me not me here. I have this. Yes. We have this. I come here again, give it the color. Change it to white. I like this too. Change it to white. So we have this 4 slides. Now, one thing about PowerPoint is it's not just about writing the data or styling. There's more to it, not like Word.